Hey guys, how are you? David here from TechSocial.com. It is time for yet another, not unboxing, yay! Another Mac Pro upgrade. This time I'm installing the ATI Radeon HD 5770. Currently I'm using the ATI Radeon HD 3870. It's a great graphics card, I love it. It was a huge upgrade over my, what was it, NVIDIA 9700? Something like that, something shitty. I killed it. Actually killed itself, it was so crappy. But anyway, let's go back a little. The 3870 is a great card. The fan noise is just a little loud for my liking. I'm very OCD when it comes to things being quiet around me so I can concentrate on my work. Call me weird, whatever, I don't care. But the noise, the fan noise is too loud. And plus, the card is, I think, 2 years old now. So, what the hell? It's time for another upgrade in terms of graphics card. So, this is the 5770. Of course, I'll list the official product link and specs below the video if you guys are interested. And without further ado, what do you say we open up the Mac Pro and get on with the installation? Alright, so the Mac Pro is all disconnected, everything's good to go. I have so many accessories, so that'll be fun, reconnecting everything. Sarcasm. But anyway, let's take this beast out. Oh god, it's heavy. Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3. Bam! And there it is. Dust everywhere, look at that. Dust everywhere. Yeah, I know, it's very dusty. I'll dust it after the video. I don't want to bore you guys with the dusting details. Anyway, as usual, it's very easy to open the Mac Pro. Let's swing it around here without it falling off the desk and going through the floor and into the garage and crushing whatever is down there. Pull the switch. Bam! Swing it back around. And bam! That easy. Now if you look closely right here, this is the graphics card. Actually, you don't have to look that closely. It's very dusty, my god, it's freaking disgusting. But, you know what's funny? I actually dusted this like maybe a month ago, and that's how quickly it brought everything back. Anyway, the first thing you gotta do is unscrew this screw that fastens everything in. It's practically the easiest thing in the world. Next thing you gotta do is disconnect this power cable, and we're back. What I had to do is I kind of jam my fingernail under there and take that tiny clip off. You can probably barely see that, but it wasn't really that tough. And I kind of take back what I said. There's no way in hell I'm going back with the old cable. I mean, the new cable, which is right here. This can be my spare because last time it was a pain in the ass connecting the power cable to the logic board because it's kind of hidden behind a plastic piece, which isn't that convenient. I mean, it wasn't that hard, but it was just very frustrating. So, long story short, I'm keeping this cable. Actually, let's take the whole bracket off, just to make it easy. Let's take this out. This is an old bracket I gotta find a use for. Probably just throw it away. Oh, there it goes. And there it is, the ATI Radeon HD 3870. Again, great card. If you're looking for something affordable, yet powerful in terms of, Mac usage, check it out. And again, here is the new card. This thing's about to go in right now. I totally forgot to mention before, it is one DVI, and I believe these are mini display, which I do not have official support for, but I believe I have an adapter for that, so that's really not a big deal. So anyway, let's try to put this in right now. Again, this card is huge. Check it out, guys. Wow, it like just fits in there. This is crazy. Where does the power cable go? Hold on, I'm having a noob moment. Oh, there it goes. Okay, power cable goes right in there. I was going to say, it better be long enough, because I'm not putting that new one in. Now, wow, this thing just fits. Maybe. Let's take out my USB 2.0 card for a minute. That way, we can actually see what we're doing. Alright, we're going back in. I swear I'm not a noob. This isn't exactly convenient. Alright. Now I'm looking back here. Looks like it's aligning. Bam! Success! Now let's put the USB 2.0 card back in, which is working great, by the way. I do have a video on that if you guys are interested, for the new viewers out there. Speaking of old videos, I do have videos on the ATI Radeon HD 3870 as well. I have an unboxing and an installation video. Alright, what's this guy's deal? Get in there. There you go. Alright, cool. And of course, we cannot forget to put in the power cable, which I will put my head in front of the camera for a second. Clip goes on the top. And there we go. Click. A click is always a good thing. Now let's close this up and now let's boot it. I did a quick little dusting, so just get that out of the way. Put the door back on. Come on. You can do it. There you go. Good boy. And lock it back up. Could it be simpler? Now let's take this down. Ow, as I put it on my knee. By the way, I did indeed find a good cable. DVI to mini display or mini display to DVI, however you want to say it. So this should work awesome. And now for the moment of truth. Let's do it. Boom! No, I'm just kidding. We're good. Well, hopefully. My displays are all dusty now because I blew dust everywhere, but that's okay. I'll clean it afterwards. Alright, we have a bong, we have picture, we're good. The Asus monitor is on the mini display port to DVI, and this is still on DVI. Almost there. Alright. We have picture on both. What the F? That is not normal. Wait, hold on. Now the mouse cursor is showing up. That was messed up. Did you see that? Okay, good. Okay, I haven't flipped. My primary is now on the left because it switched to wallpapers. Guys, I gotta be honest, that kind of scared the shit out of me, but we seem to be good. Waiting for my Bluetooth adapter to kick in. It's not the quickest startup anymore. It needs a fresh install with Lion when that comes out. I'm gonna put a solid state drive in, so expect another upgrade video then. But we seem to be good. I don't know what that graphics glitch was. I think my Mac Pro just kind of freaked out. Like, what the hell did you put in me, David? What did you put in me? Just in case, there might be drivers. No, I don't think so. Nothing to install. So that's good. Actually, I'm going to go on their website and see if there's anything to install just in case, because I'm kind of paranoid about major installations such as this. But yeah, so now my primary is on the left. That's not right, I gotta switch it. And we have dock, we have the menu bar. Yes. Alright, let's just change the display preferences rather than having to mess with the hardware. So for the noobs out there, you can go to displays. I shouldn't say noobs, but I guess that's the right word. We can go to arrangement, and I'll zoom in. Arrangement. Now the menu bar should be on this one, I think, now. So let me see. And yes, there we go. The dock is now on the right. So that's a great tip for the people not aware. There we go. That's a better explanation than noobs. If you ever want to switch your displays, you just go to System Preferences, Displays, and then click on Arrangement. And it seriously could not be easier. I love it. And now if we go to About This Mac, More Info, then we go to Graphics. It should be... where is it? Graphics displays. There you go. Success. ATI Radeon HD 5770. 1 gigabyte of VRAM, which is awesome, because I believe my old card was 512. I'm not sure, but either way, 1 gig, amazing. And of course, same exact resolutions. And I don't game that much on here, but I should see some kind of difference. Because I gotta be honest, I noticed a drop in frame rate sometimes when I used Expose, because now I have a 23-inch display and a 24-inch display. So the 3870 was driving a lot of display real estate, and I would notice a drop in frame rate sometimes. Anyway, without rambling any further, as you can see, the video card upgrade was a huge success, we can finally say goodbye to the ATI Radeon HD 3870. Actually, I'm going to break it right now. Why the hell would I break a perfectly good graphics card? Again, great card. It's outdated and, I just don't need it anymore. But for those wondering, I will be keeping this as a backup because if you watch my previous videos on graphics cards, you'll see that I really don't have good luck. I've been through 2 NVIDIA cards, which is why I upgraded to this card. Again, this is perfectly fine. And now I upgraded to the 5770. And that is that, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions regarding hardware upgrades, I cannot promise that I'm an expert, but I like to think that I know what I'm doing when it comes to this kind of thing. So if you have any questions for me or for any of my viewers, because we're all one big happy family, you guys can just leave your comments right below the video, and I will help you out, or somebody else will help you out. So thank you so much for watching. Check out my Twitter and Facebook links under the video if you want to get in touch with me outside of this video, and I will see you guys very soon. And there goes that damn clock again. Bam! Hey guys, real quick, I just want to apologize for the low quality of the video you just finished watching. Believe me, my new camcorder kicks ass. I love it. However, I was trying out a new white balance setting, and I must have messed something up in the settings. So I don't want you to think my Panasonic's bad, and I'm kind of a perfectionist when it comes to video quality. So I wanted to apologize for the bad video quality. But I hope you guys still enjoyed it, and I look forward to making my next video for you guys very soon. Peace!